The pandemic continues relentlessly, and it is a difficult time for all of us. You may find that you are anxious and stressed. During such times, you'll find that your breathing becomes shallow and quicker. Using a simple deep breathing technique, you can gain control and start to feel relaxed. Sit quietly, place your hands on your chest or just below on the diaphragm, and notice the rhythm of your breathing. Breathe in for a few seconds, pause, breathe out again. Do this for a minute or two. Breathing slowly helps you regain a sense of control and prevents the carbon dioxide washout, which leads to a feeling of panic. You get more oxygen in and you retain some carbon dioxide. You should start to feel relaxed soon. I am Dr. Tarique Sani. I am a CBT practitioner, and this has been an episode of Simple Support. Thank you.